Lily's heart raced with a mixture of excitement and trepidation as she stepped beyond the familiar boundaries of her village and into the enchanted forest. The towering trees, with their lush canopies of emerald leaves, cast dappled shadows upon the mossy ground, creating an otherworldly atmosphere. The air was filled with the sweet scent of wildflowers and the melodic chirping of unseen birds. Despite the villagers' dire warnings, Lily couldn't help but feel a sense of wonder as she gazed upon the forest's beauty. She had dreamed of this moment for so long, and now that she was here, she was determined to uncover its secrets. As Lily ventured deeper, she noticed a flicker of movement in the corner of her eye. Turning her head, she spotted a small furry creature perched on a nearby branch. It had a bushy tail and bright, intelligent eyes that seemed to study her intently. "Well, well, what have we here?" a voice spoke, causing Lily to jump in surprise. A curious human, wandering into the heart of the enchanted forest. Lily's eyes widened as the creature spoke, and she realized it was a talking squirrel. "You can talk," she exclaimed, her voice filled with wonder. The squirrel chuckled, its whiskers twitching. "Indeed I can. And you must be Lily, the adventurous young girl from the village." He leapt down from the branch, landing gracefully on the forest floor. "I am Squeak, the guardian of this enchanted realm." Lily's heart raced with excitement. A talking squirrel guardian? I've heard the stories, but I never imagined it was true. She paused, her expression turning more serious. "The villagers say this forest is dangerous. Is that true?" Squeak's eyes darkened momentarily. "The forest is a place of both wonder and peril, young Lily. There are many marvels to behold, but also threats that lurk in the shadows." He scampered closer, his bushy tail swishing back and forth. "Tell me, what has drawn you to venture into our domain?" Lily took a deep breath, her gaze unwavering. "I want to understand the forest's magic. I want to learn its secrets and help protect it." She hesitated, then added, "The villagers are afraid, but I feel a pull towards this place. I know there is more to it than the stories they tell." Squeak nodded, his expression thoughtful. "You have a brave and curious heart, Lily. That is both a blessing and a burden in these enchanted woods." He hopped up onto a nearby rock, his eyes level with hers. "If you are to explore the forest's wonders, you must be prepared to face its dangers as well. Are you willing to take on that responsibility?" Lily didn't need to think twice. "Yes, I am. I want to learn, and I want to help protect this place." She reached out her hand, offering it to the squirrel. "Will you be my guide, Squeak?" Squeak studied her hand for a moment, then placed his tiny paw in her palm. "Very well, Lily. I will be your guide, but you must heed my warnings and respect the forest's ways. The balance here is delicate, and the consequences of disrupting it can be grave." With a nod, Lily gently lifted Squeak to her shoulder, and together they set off, delving deeper into the enchanted forest.